Top 5 Worst Things in Nature. Number 5. Corpse flower, smelliest plant. The corpse flower thrives in the grasslands bordering rainforests in Sumatra, though it is now found around the world in display gardens. It grows a single enormous flower which produces a smell that is remarkably similar to a rotting corpse, hence its name. The flower grows to over 10 feet wide and its coloring is designed to mimic the look of rotting meat, to help entice the carrion-eating insects that pollinate it. The tip of the corpse flower is nearly the same temperature as the human body, which probably helps to spread the stink and adds to the illusion that it is really rotten flesh. Number 4. Brazilian wandering spider, worst spider. It is huge. It has one of the most painful bites in the spider world. It is the most deadly spider. Forget the funnel web spider, this thing is dangerous. It has the highest human kill rate in the world. To make things even worse, a bite from this spider causes an erection that lasts for hours. No, this is not a subtle ad for Viagra, it really is a side effect of a wandering spider bite. Emergency room staff are able to immediately recognize a person suffering from a bite. Needless to say, the venom is being studied for possible medical uses for people suffering erectile dysfunction. Number 3. Candiru, nastiest fish. The candiru is a small parasitic catfish which is found mostly in the Amazon River, where it is the most feared fish, even more so than piranhas. The fish can grow to a maximum length of around 6 inches. Candiru feed on the blood of their host creatures by swimming into the gills and using razor-sharp spines on its head to attach itself. It then chews its way through the host until it reaches a major artery and drinks blood until it is satiated. The fish finds its prey by sniffing the water, and this is where it starts to get nasty. The smell of human urine appeals to candirus and they can find their way to a human penis or vagina under the water and enter it. When this happens, the fish attaches itself, causing great pain to the poor human, and it can generally only be removed through surgery. This is a very unpleasant situation to be in, so be warned, don't pee in the Amazon River. Number 2. Man, most damaging to its environment. All we need to get one thing clear, I am not a greenie or an environmentalist, but even a hard-hearted non-recycler like me can see how much damage man causes to nature. We pollute our waterways and air, we tear down whole forests, we flatten mountains, and we bury nuclear waste beneath the earth. Nature has every reason to hate us, and perhaps that is in part the reason for the many plagues and pandemics that have struck our kind since time immemorial. Number 1. Botulinum toxin, deadliest thing ever. Botulinum toxin is produced by the bacterium Clostridium botulinum, and it is, beyond a doubt, the deadliest known protein. If the Clostridium botulinum spores find their way to food or wounds, they will begin to release the toxin, which leads to poisoning if eaten. It is so deadly that a mere 2 pounds, roughly 1 kilogram, of the stuff is enough to kill the entire human population. It is so deadly that it is potentially useful as a biological weapon. This is the kind of thing we obviously want to keep right away from, right? Well, no. Millions of people have this deadly protein injected into their face every year. It is present in minute quantities in Botox, which is used to treat wrinkles.